In earlier sessions, we have completed matrix determinants. From today, we will be starting calculus. First thing is that calculus is a very important chapter for class 12 CBSE, and you will get 35 marks question in calculus. In calculus, there are continuity, differentiability and integration and their applications. That is applications on differentiation and applications of integration. Today I will be starting continuity. Before starting continuity, first thing is that in class 11 you have read about limit. It requires recapitulation on limit. Since continuity or taking the course on continuity, you should have a very clear concept on limit itself. Limit, the term limit, the word limit, it is clear. It means there are some limits. What does it mean by limit? Limit means, say fx is a function of x, say equal to x square plus 5x. Now that particular function, it is not valid for all that particular values. It has some particular limit. What is the limit? Say limit x tends to 0. It means the limiting value of that particular function, it is just less or just higher than 0. That is, what is the limiting value of this particular function? This function cannot attain to 0. So that is the limit of this particular function. That is why it is known as limit. First thing is that x tends to 0. What does it mean by x tends to 0? In class 11 also you have learned about it. It means, say it is a line and it is the value 0. If that particular line approaches from the positive direction, that is plus, it is x, x dash, y, y dash. If it approaches from the positive direction to 0, or if it is approaches from the negative direction to 0, it cannot start or attain the value 0. It stops just before the value of the 0. What does it mean just before the value of the 0? It means the difference between the possible value of that particular function and 0 is epsilon, say epsilon, where epsilon is as small as may be. Again, it is a conceptual. It means it will just cannot attain 0. What? It is any particular value before 0, and after then, that is if it is approaches from the positive direction, though it will be a positive value, but from positive value to 0, it is approaches to 0, but obviously it will not in a position to attain 0. From negative direction, it will be approaches to 0, but cannot attain the value 0. Now, why I am telling this? First thing is that for limit or for existence of limit, I think in class 11 also you have read it. Left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit, then only limit exists. What does it mean by left hand limit and what does it mean by right hand limit? Left hand limit means from negative value to that is the left hand direction. When it approaches from left hand direction to that particular limiting value, it is the left hand limit. When it approaches the right hand direction to the limiting value, it is right hand limit. Say it is x tends to 0, instead of that it may be limit x tends to 5. It may be limit x tends to 5. So what would be the left hand limit of limit x tends to 5? It means limit x tends to 5 minus. What does it mean 5 minus? That is, it is just cannot attain the value 5, but the value of that particular x will be say 4.999999 dot dot dot. That is, it means it is less than 5. When that is the left hand limit. Left hand limit. What is the right hand limit? Limit x tends to 5 plus. What does it mean? The value of x cannot be 5, but it is very near to 5. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, it means approaches from right hand side to that particular. I think you have got the concept of left hand limit and right hand limit. When a limit exists, for existing of a limit, left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. Otherwise, limit doesn't exist at that particular point. Say x is equal to 5, x square plus 5x. For x, say I am just writing an expression afresh. Say let fx is equal to x square plus 5x for x greater or equal to 5 and x plus 5 for x less than 5. If fx, the value of fx is this, then is the limit exist at x is equal to 5? Is the limit existing at x equal to 5? Is the limit is existing at x is equal to 5? First thing is that what is the left hand limit? Say limit x tends to 5 minus left hand limit equal to limit x equal to 5 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 5 minus what is the value of fx? Whenever the value of x is less than 5, approaching 5 but less than 5, x plus 5. So it means equal to 5 plus 5 equal to 10. What is the right hand limit? Limit x tends to 5 plus fx equal to, when it is greater or equal to 5, it is x square plus 5x. It means limit x tends to 5 plus x square plus 5x equal to 25 plus 5 into 5 equal to 50. It means LHS not equal to RHS. That means, which implies limit doesn't exist. I think up to this it is clear. That is, I think you have also read that particular concept in class 11, but before starting continuity you requires that particular recapitulation itself. That is why I have reiterated this, and you should also memorize some particular standard function, standard results on limits, which I have written here. Limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n, x minus a is equal to n, a minus 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. I think there are 10 particular, only 10, and I think these particular standard results of limits you have read in class 11 also. But before starting continuity, you also have to memorize this particular 10 standard results on limits. I am just completing this particular session by solving a problem on limit. Find limit x tends to 0 fx, where fx defined as this. Now, what is left hand limit? Left hand limit equal to limit x tends to 0 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 0 minus this x value of x is less than 0. Where the value of the x is less than 0, it is this. It means limit 2x plus 3 equal to 3. Since putting the value 0 in place of x, it will be 3. What is the right hand limit? Limit x tends to 0 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, what would be the right hand limit? When the value of x is greater than 0, that is this one. So what would be the value of fx for x greater than 0, or limit x tends to 0 plus 3 into x plus 1 equal to 3 into 0 plus 1 equal to 3. Since LHL equal to RHL, therefore limit exists and the value of limit x tends to 0 fx equal to 3. Okay, this session I am completing here. In next session I will be starting continuity, but before starting continuity I will be giving some home tasks. Thank you.